Welcome to day 5 of my house glow up series, unboxing my shipping container from China. So yesterday was a shit show. The consensus is we all hate the chairs. I'm in talks with these people, figuring out what we're gonna do. I might take the chairs back with me on my next trip to China, but I need my chairs en route. Anyway, I'm in my garage because a few of you guys have questions on the tile. Yes, the hardwood floors that I have now are beautiful. I know I could refinish them, but I'm not really in the mood to be doing that. And I already have all this tile, 10,000 pounds worth of tile that gotta go. They gotta go somewhere. So I'm gonna show y'all the tile. I don't know if I can pick it up, but I'm gonna show y'all what I got. And there's other fuck ups as well. So let's share that. So this is one of the floating bathroom vanities that I got. Yep, I sent this to my supplier. I don't know what they want to do. They want me to open up all the boxes to see if all of them are like this. I don't have the space to do that right now. But as you can see, we were able to move the jacuzzi to my backyard under my gazebo. So it's protected for now because we needed to get all the stuff inside of here. So putting the sofa out, I know a lot of you guys are like, well, why are you putting the sofa out if you're going to be putting the flooring in? Because I have no space. I'm already paying for storage from one of my Airbnbs that I sold last year. So I'm not about to pay for another storage unit. So I just went to get the furniture in as it came out. My old furniture I'm putting in my basement. So we will be redoing that. So all this tile here is for bathrooms. I have like 3 or 4 different bathrooms that I selected. This is a tile that's supposed to be going on my floor. So let me show you that. What is this? Okay, Miriam black top. So these are like my all the, like the bathroom towel holders and the faucets. So I got some gold and I got some black. Every time you see anything in my house, it's probably going to be gold or it's going to be black. Those are the kind of finishes I like. I don't like chrome or silver. So for the Airbnb units and all that, that's what I got. We got this from a hotel supplier. So we got like some duvets and pillows and some luxury like robes and stuff like that. All of this is personal. All right, so now that it's light outside, you see these are the tiles that I'm going to be using for my basement and for my investment property. There goes some of the pillows from the hotel supplier. Let me get in here. So, okay, so this is like the top part of the floating vanity. As you can see, I got 4 different types. So I only needed 3. 2 for my home and 1 for the investment property. My investment property is a 3-bedroom, 1 bath. So one that broke, it still leaves me with everything else that I need, but I didn't open those boxes yet. All right, so this is the tile that I'm looking to replace on my floors. Let me see if I can move this by myself to show it to you in the sun. Absolutely not. I cannot pick this up. So we're gonna have to just see it like this, okay? So it is, I'm gonna show you what it looks like in the store as well with better lighting. But I love the gold chrome. And as you can see, it looks like tiles. So it looks like it's sectioned off in tiles, but it's actually one big block. So maybe like less than 20 of these will be will cover the entire floor for like my living room. You don't need a lot of these to finish the flooring. So that's why the flooring is gonna go pretty quickly. I really love this. I'm gonna show you what it looks like from in the store. I never saw gold grout before, so I think this is different. It's beautiful and it's like a shiny finish. Funny how when I bought my house, the floors were shiny and I hated it, so I made it a matte dark brown, and now 8 years later, I'm loving the shiny again. These are my mirrors. I got some really cool mirrors that's going in the dining room. So as you follow the series, you'll see me fix everything up. I also got some really cool toilets. It comes with a bidet. It comes with seat warmer. It opens up as you walk up towards it, so very luxurious. The kids are gonna have a blast with that, right? And then what else? I got a lot of stuff, but oh yeah, the handyman was here from 10 a.m. no lie to 10 p.m. last night, fixing my entire bed. I don't know why these things don't just come assembled, because like assembling them and then the directions they put in the boxes don't be having no directions really. It just be pictures. So he was able to do that. So he set up my king bed, nightstands, my dresser, my chest. The only thing he didn't put up is the mirror that goes above the chest. I'm not showing y'all my bedroom. I feel like that's sacred, but I will show y'all the bed set that I got in the showroom. So I'll show that to you guys. And yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions. I'm gonna show y'all the flooring. And if you guys want me to show up like clips of me walking in this furniture city, let me know, because there was tons. I was so overwhelmed and overstimulated with selections. You would be standing in one aisle and you can't see the other aisle. That's how big this city is, this furniture city is. So all right, y'all, so I got a piece of broken towel, and just expect that, like, when you order any kind of towel, always order a little bit more, because I'm gonna get some pieces that are broken. So this is the towel that I want to put on my floors. This is the towel that's going in the investment property. As you can see, like, my floors are damaged. I haven't refinished them in 8 years. That's why I want to replace them. So this is the towel for the investment property, and what I also want to put in my basement. This is a matte finish. It looks like wood, it looks like LVP, but it's a tile, okay? And then this is a broken piece of the tile that I want to put in my home. As you can see, this is like a shiny finish, and then it has gold grout. So this is when my door open. This will look like with the door closed. So you can see that shine, and then you can see the flooring for what I want to put in either the basement, but definitely the investment property. Tell me what you guys think.
This 80 by 80 with the gold light.
Let me guys know. Thank you so much for tuning in for the series, and I'll see you on the next episode. Bye.